Hi, this is Pushpa. I am going to demonstrate how our course feedback data will analyzed here using Excel. Okay, we collected already this feedback data from students with 7 parameters. So here course code and course name is very important. Here course code and course name may be upper or lower case. So we have to insert a new column for change the course code into upper format using upper function. Okay, the formula is applied and copy the formula and paste to rest of the cell. So all the paper code converted as uppercase. Then we select and copy the uppercase data and paste in a course code column using paste special command. So here one window will open. Select the option, select the value option and OK. Then delete the content of the G column. We have to predict the core paper only. So put the title core paper yes or no in the column G. Okay. Then sort the paper code using sort command. So ascending order. Here all EDC paper comes as a group. Each paper group wise we can see and put the 0 because EDC is not a core paper. So the paper title also you want to format, give the EDC in a short form. So we have to correct the name of the paper. Okay, then MT is a mobile technology. Short form the students is given. So mobile technology I am replacing here instead of MT. Should concentrate with zeros and ones. If you giving all zeros and 1, then finished means you go to insert menu and select the pivot table. It will ask new sheet will open and drag and drop the course code in the row label and course code into the value is countable. Count is a default value. So we get a new table for course wise feedback counting we will get. So is a less number of feedback is given someone course. So core paper yes or no, drag and drop in a filter column. Okay, so filter column is topmost column in a list of pivot table. Okay, here select the arrow mark and deselect the 0 because it's a non-core paper. So putting 1 means that only core paper. We get the reasonable feedback 18-17 because we have the number of students 18 itself. Okay, so then this is a feedback table. Then you drag and drop the depth of the course in a column and value. We get the summation, we get the count of the feedback and select the table and paste in a new sheet number 2. So here one column is lefting because putting the depth of the course content. So here we get the parameter depth of the content for all course. Okay, so here I am give the title in the column A is parameter. Then you go to the give the original data. See original data sheet number 1 is original data. So we rename the original data as a data. Then go to sheet 4. This is the pivot table. You change the parameters, depth, remove the depth and next parameter extent of the course. You replace it column and value column. Then select the table, update in a sheet number 2. So each parameter wise we getting some table. Those tables we have to update in a sheet number 2 with the title. Go to sheet number 4 for change the pivot table options. Okay, then select the table, copy the table and paste for updation. Okay, here go to select the title of the parameter, copy and paste. Where go to open sheet number 2 and paste in front of the paper. After replacing title, then check this is the junked data. So you should be carefully do, because here one column, average column is not coming this pivot table, so here also not coming. Okay, then go to sheet number 4 and rearrange the parameter value in the field list. You get the new table and paste, update all the parameter value in a single sheet. I am going to insert new column. 3 columns we inserted here for giving a serial number. So each parameter and each paper code. Paper code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because I am having only 7 papers, so same will repeated up to end of this content. Okay, then go to the B column, give the name A. So A, B, C, D alphabets representation to the each parameter. A represent depth of the course, B represent extent of the course, C represent applicability of the course. So D represent balance between the theory and application. E represent the focus on the skill. F represent the coverage of the basic and recent concepts. G denoted as extent of interestingness. Okay, go to the column C, use type the concatenation command, open brace, then select the A3 cell comma B3. Here you will get the new serial number, combination of A column and B column. Select the formula cell, copy, go to copy command and select the rest of the cell and go to paste. Okay, you will get the new combination of serial number, whole serial number, and paste in a column A using paste special. Select command. The option value, then remove the B and C column from the table and give the serial number as a title of the A column. Remove the empty row as a row number 1 also, and then go to the short command. Select the data, give the short order 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 2A, 2B. You will get new table rearranged in the table, same table rearranged as a course wise. Okay, change the name of the sheet and same content copy and paste in a sheet 3 also. You keeping both the sheet 3 and data for analysis. One course code, remaining rest of the code we select and cut from this sheet and go to paste in a new sheet. Okay, same manner you leave the first paper code here and rest of the papers select and cut from this sheet and paste to the next sheet. So by doing this cut and paste, I am split the all table of content as a separate sheet and rename all the paper code as a sheet name. Give the overall course analysis in the column B. Then you have to apply the sum of formula for finding overall feedback of per the course. Okay, same formula you can copy. So you can copy this formula and paste every sheet, because row and column same. After pasting the formula, you select the table first row and second row and go to pie chart. Okay, here change the color of the pie chart and select the options if you want to. Then this chart for one parameter, okay, depth of the parameter, you resize this chart as your wish. Then you create a duplicate using Control D form. Okay, Control D, make a duplicate copy and select the chart and go to select label. You want to change the data range for according to the data, the chart will change it. Again, make a duplicate copy using Control D, and here you right click on the chart, select data. Here data row only you have to change. So type 4 instead of 3. In the small changes you will get change the chart value according to the row number. Okay. So here you get 3 charts already, and make it same manner. Control D for duplicate chart. Okay. You can move this chart in this sheet for your convenience. Then select the right click and select the data area. You change the row number. So here I did 7 charts for different 7 parameters. Seven different parameter, and finally you have to do one overall parameter in subset. Okay, select 3 chart as a singly. Okay, drag and drop wherever you want to drag and drop in the new place. Okay, select the first row and row number 9, which is overall chart. Okay, you can change its options, then resize it and move anywhere in the sheet. Okay, this is the single course analysis. Here you get the 7 pie chart for 7 parameters individually and one overall course analysis. This is the one sample and single course analysis demo. Okay, I hope you all something you will get knowledge by seeing this video. So you can keep this table here. Any changes, if you giving the table according to the table value, the chart also will change. So you never cut this table from this place and keep the chart and table as a single place. This is very useful thing for this analysis. Thank you.